Microsoft's free virtual internship 2025. Microsoft, in collaboration with the Internet Foundation, is offering a free 6-week virtual internship program. This program is designed to provide students with practical, real-world experience in artificial intelligence and cloud computing. It's accessible and flexible for all eligible applicants across India, allowing for remote participation. Who can apply? Diploma students, undergraduate students, postgraduate students. Program focus AI and cloud computing. Gain hands-on technical skills in these high-demand domains. Microsoft Azure Tools. You will be introduced to Azure Tools, real-world challenges. Experienced mentors will guide you through practical challenges. Case Street in structure. This virtual internship provides practical exposure to AI and cloud technologies. Key details include duration, 6 weeks mode, fully remote focus areas, AI, cloud computing, Microsoft Azure eligibility, open to all diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate students in India. Certification. Upon successful completion, you'll receive a completion certificate from Microsoft. Structured training modules. Participants will undergo structured training in topics such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud computing, using Microsoft Azure Data Science Fundamentals, real-world projects using Azure Tools. Each module will include assignments and quizzes to help you track your progress. You will also collaborate on projects that simulate real-life scenarios, encouraging critical thinking and teamwork. Why you should join Microsoft's Remote Internship 2025. This internship offers a well-rounded experience with several benefits: in-depth exposure to AI and cloud computing, mentorship from seasoned industry experts, support for career planning and resume building, valuable real-world project experience, official Microsoft certification upon successful completion. Mentors will provide regular feedback to help you sharpen both your technical and soft skills, preparing you for future opportunities. How to apply. Interested students can apply by following these steps. Visit the official portal. Go to the official Microsoft Internship portal. Fill application form. Complete the application form. Upload resume. Upload your resume as required. Complete assessments. Finish any required assessments. Await confirmation. Wait for confirmation of your selection.